Hi, I'm Snoopy, and I wasn't kidding last time. Oh, give me a moment. Hi, thank you for calling hell. Succubus for your nightmare speaking.
Hi, it would be cool if you made a Minecraft server.
Oh, okay, I'll look into that. Well, this is boring anyways. Well, for just a few people, this Raspberry Pi... yes?
ブレンニュー。私を書いたね広告が心配になってきたところにあんの。リーダーを書いたセレブキャットたちがどれだけ私に飢えているか。
Okay, we'll look into it.
責任者ってどう?
Well, I do have this Raspberry Pi 3. Oh no. I feel like we're gonna need something a bit more drastic. Bruh, these transitions are getting weird. Hi, I'm Snoopy, and as you probably guessed from the intro and title, today we're going to be building a Minecraft server, because there appears to be some demand. Now you're probably thinking, well that's easy, just pick one of your many computers, install Ubuntu Server and Paper, and you're done. And true! In fact, I have just the computer. This is a Dell PowerEdge R210-2. It has a 4-core 4-thread Xeon and 8GB of DDR3 RAM at about 1600 megatransfers. Now this would work, unfortunately I don't have a rack. I am working on it. Besides, this is nowhere near WindowsG enough, as in it is sane and would work well. Luckily, I have the perfect computer. Let's have a look, shall we? Bro, what the fuck? This is an eMachines W2925. It has 256 megabytes of DDR SDRAM at an earth-shattering, pant-wetting 333 megatransfers. Powered by a 2.66 GHz, single-core, single-thread, Prescott core, Netburst Celeron D. It's named that because that's exactly what you won't be doing when your power supply fucking explodes. This shit sucks more from a 5-volt rail than Twitter sucks my will to live. Now, since there's probably someone who clicked on this thinking we're going to run Minecraft on the eMachine, we might as well, just to see what we're up against here. Now, I should note, I do not expect this to work really well at all. Mostly because we don't have any dedicated graphics adapter, only a gross approximation of one. We're going to be limited, I just don't think, by CPU. And luckily, we can look at that. Now, it really sucks, but the only way I have to run Minecraft on Windows XP is to have a copy of Multi-MC I signed into on a different computer and unplugging the Ethernet before running it. Where the fuck is the... oh, there it is. And all I have here is beta 1.7.3. Well, that sucks. Okay, well, that'll work. As we can see, we are immediately using all of the RAM and most of the page file. That is a brilliant sign. Okay. Alright, now we can launch single player. The fact it is not using that much CPU right now is very strange to me. Building terrain, and we're not even... holy shit, I think we have a RAM bottleneck! Now I expect CPU usage to go way up. Yep, that's about right. Look at that. Minecraft beta 1.7.3 running on the Netburst Celeron D. It's like a lot of stuttering and it's like just generally not fast. Oh god, the frame time graph, I can't see shit. What is it doing? What is it doing? I've never seen that before. Whoa, okay. What the okay. Is it gonna go back down? What the does it go away? No, it doesn't. Okay, alright, well. What the fuck? Well, let's see if using an external server works any better. Let's go to the only beta Minecraft server I know of, which I have absolutely nothing to do with. Not once. I've never touched this server before, never. Alright guys, no looking. I feel like this is worse. Do I have render distance turned down? I should. Oh yeah, okay. There's no way I could help this at all. This is as good as it gets. Back to game. Alright. Oh hey, it's improved a little bit. Wait, this ain't bad. Oh god, okay, just don't move too much. Okay, that's a lost cause. Yeah, this is substantially better than single player. And I'm gone. Oh, alright, well I guess that's that then. Why is the connection lost screen pegging the CPU? You're gonna mind break this fucking Celeron, god damn it. Now, as you're probably thinking, and I hope that experience details, we ain't doing shit on 256 megabytes of RAM. Fortunately, I have a collection of SDRAM, so let's look at this, shall we? I hope that one wasn't gonna be one of the ones that worked. Let's gotta turn this shit off, oh god. Ah, what lovely hard drive noises. Wait a minute. Much better. Anyways. That's how you open your computer in Minecraft. Alright, let's see what we're dealing with here. No, I am not unplugging the power. Fuck you. As we can see here, we've got ourselves a very nice stick of DDR PC2700U at CL 2.5. And that worries me. Mostly because my RAM pile is mostly RAM from Athlon systems, and I remember very specifically those boards needing unbuffered RAM, which made picking these for one of them a little bit tricksy, because I didn't know if it would work or not. So I don't think these will work, but we can try them, because it could just be that Athlons are picky and Pentiums don't care, but there's only one way to find out. But I think first we should probably try this one, because I remember this one coming out of a Pentium system, and it is also faster. So hey, if this works, we have 512 megabytes. So let's give it a shot, shall we? Oh shit, that's sideways. You don't put the RAM in sideways. Why is this so annoying? Oh god. Ah, there we go. Hey, that works. So as we can see, it is 512 megabytes of RAM. Let's try this just to make sure it doesn't work, because these are 1 gig sticks. I really don't think it will, mostly just because they're not only for AMD, but also fucking gigantic. Oh, it's only half in the slot. That's not good. You were just like me, trying to make history. There we go. This doesn't breed confidence. I'm gonna try it again. Get in there. Okay. I appear to have made it mad. Okay, trying the other stick. What the fuck? Okay, that's weird, but we've got a gigabyte now. Try the other one in the other slot. If this works, this is gonna help us out significantly. We really need that 2 gigs. Nice! Look at that! 2 gigabytes of RAM. Wow. Okay, this is gonna help a lot. Let's see how Minecraft runs now, I guess. Admittedly, this part of the whole fixed Windows update thing is a little annoying, but I mean, I guess it's worth the price. Video coming out on that, by the way, in case you want to update your Windows XP or 2000 in year of our Lord 2022, and hopefully beyond. Don't tell Microsoft. Look at that! 2 gigabytes at the exact same speed that it was before, but we were totally expecting that because the numbers were the same. But look at that! Crucial! And also, what the fuck? I bought both of these sticks at the same time. Well, I mean, my warranty is out of date by about 6 years, but if it wasn't, I would be having a word with them about the fact my 2 PC2700 DIMMs. Apparently one of them is PC3200. You buy matched pairs for reasons. Oh, also, nice weak year you got there. That's my favorite year. 2255. Gonna launch this, see if it... Oh god. Okay, there you go. It's weird, the operating system feels faster. I bet it's just placebo, but... It feel... Oh shit. That ain't placebo. That is faster. What the fuck? Alright. Well, okay, let's see how it plays. Whoa, okay. Frame graph still taking up all of the space, but I don't think I need to explain just how much of a bump this is. I was not expecting this. Like, okay, it stutters here and there as it generates new land, but we are now CPU bottlenecked, which is what I was looking for, but also wasn't the case last time. That is so weird. Also, watch this, since it's beta, if I punch this sheep. Oh, it's not that beta. Okay, right, that's alpha, I think, never mind. Alright, wow. Okay, and now for a fair comparison, let's try 2 beta again. I think the Ethernet's connected. Alright, this is... even this is faster. Whoa. This is so good. What the fuck? I am genuinely surprised. And the hard drive. We're no longer using the page file, so it's quiet. Well, there you go. I guess if you were curious what a RAM bottleneck looked like, there you go. I see someone had at my base, by the way. That kind of sucks. There used to be a little bit more of it, but I feel like someone came by again. Now that we see how it runs Minecraft the game, let's have a look at how it runs Minecraft the server. Now at this point, we totally could just close this copy of Minecraft, put the server jar on here, double click on it, and have the window and stuff. But as you might notice, we're still using 157 megabytes of RAM. And that is about 110 we could keep for Minecraft server things if we didn't have Windows running. So yes, our running of a Minecraft server is of course going to begin with an install of Linux. And for that we're going to be using Alpine Linux. Again, I'm sorry, okay? There are many ways to skin a goldfish. This is just the way I'm the most familiar with. And it's also fast and RAM efficient. I don't see why we wouldn't use it. So yeah, I'm gonna go burn a disk. And I'm done. Wait, why did I take 12 hours? Oh, that's why. There might be an extras on this soon. I'm not sure. Ooh. It ran better when I did it before. The reason I say might is because, yes, I recorded, but whether or not it actually ended up being something intelligible is yet to be seen. But with that out of the way, let's get installing, shall we? Just gotta plug this piece of bitch into the high-speed USB 2.0 port. Can fuel the power. Just gotta restart the computer, we can begin our Linux installation experience. Autoplay can go suck a dick. Now, if we try to boot off of this, we're going to notice a problem pretty quickly. As we can see, the second boot device is removable media, and by that logic it said start to the thumb drive perfectly fine. But it doesn't. That's because this computer can't boot USB thumb drives natively. So you know what that means. Shit balls. Plop! But there's a small problem with that. Now you might be thinking, well Snoopy, you just gotta take it out of the plastic casing. And to that I say, alright. Jewel cases are really hard to open. See, it doesn't work. Luckily Pop also boots from a CD. Well, we do have other ways. Hell yeah. This has got to be one of the dumbest things I've done. Well, okay, dude, let's be fair, not even close, but... What the fuck?! That's the no disk and drive noise. Give me a second here. Okay, then. Seriously? Oh, shit! Hey, there we go. Just gonna put this in here, not short anything. It's like right there, like that. There we go. Alright, let's do this. Hell yeah. Nice. Now that we're in Alpine, we're going to run everyone's favorite command, setup-alpine, and we can begin installing. Do US. US. This is so much faster compared to the Pentium. Why is the DVD-ROM drive showing up, and what is that? 1.1 gigabytes. Okay, so we're going to do SDA. Sys. Erase the above disk and continue. Yes. We don't need that XP install anymore. What the fuck happened there? Well, I guess it would be strange if it went alright the first time. Wait a minute, did it actually do anything? The answer appears to be no. Wait, yes? Weird. Okay, sure, fine. Excuse me? I swear I erased it last time. Okay, alright. Oh. Hold up. Alright, well, I'm not complaining. I guess it worked that time. That was weird. Installation is complete. Please reboot. Nice. fdisk-l. Alright, well, that's cool. We're gonna halt the system instead because I need to remove the floppy diskette drive. I've had dumber ideas that worked, but this is pretty far up there. Gotta be fucking kidding me. Now, let's see if it works. Wow, it works! Holy shit! This is definitely the first time I'm booting Alpine on this computer. Thank you, Tim Apple. Very cool. I definitely didn't need that footage. Don't need this shit anymore. And there we go. So let's log in here. And now we're going to run NeoFetch. Huh, I wonder when that got installed. Thank you, Tim Apple. Anyways, as we can see here, we've now replaced our Windows XP installation with a lovely now, very efficient Alpine installation. Didn't sacrifice a thing. It is definitely just as user-friendly as Windows XP. Definitely. So now, as for what we're going to install next, you have 3 guesses. They're all wrong. We're installing NetworkManager. Now this is basically just going to make it easier for me to set a static IP address. Because this is going to be a server, we don't want itself getting a new IP address, and thus no one can connect to the server. Yeah, let's do that. Oh my god, this is so fucking fast compared to the Pentium. Doing that whole Gen 2 and the modern Linux videos on that Pentium 133 really skewed my idea for what a fast computer is. This thing feels fast as fuck. Now I need to enable NetworkManager by hopefully spelling it right, and then start. Failed miserably. So now the net is no longer working. So now we can start up the lovely GUI and input our static IP address. And to do that, you do nm to UI. And it didn't work. What the fuck? ls grep nm. So we don't have... Okay. So it turns out there are dependencies. I need NetworkManager -CLI and NetworkManager-TUI, which was not mentioned in the wiki, so I would need that, but there's now a significant problem with that. I am no longer connected to the internet. Oh god. Okay, so now if I run nm2, yeah, okay, much better. So edit a connection, going to add a connection, it's going to be Ethernet. So ETH0, Ethernet, that's all correct. IPv4, going to do manual, going to show addresses, 192.168.254. Yes, my subnet is 254 now, do not ask. And I like the number 150. That is all correct, I believe. So gateway is the router, DNS server is my DNS server, address is what I want to set the address to, and okay, and back. And activate a connection. And why is it not in the fucking list? What the fuck? Set system host name will be, your mom. Oh, did I set ETH? Oh my god, I am dumb. ETH0. Wow. I am small brain. Very, very small brain. What? Device is strictly unmanaged. Okay, so I need to restart. I don't know how this works. I've never used NetworkManager with Alpine before. Starting network manager, it appears to have started, I guess. So, root, password, IPA. Well, shit. It's a 0. Let's get all this shit out of here. Don't you go manage your mom so people can play these games. See if this does the trick. You know what? I think I'll take my chances with networking. Fuck this. APK delete NetworkManager. Serevr. There we go. That's great as shit right there. We got our IP address of 192.168.254.150, and the gateway is set to the gateway. And yeah, that is at least supposedly correct. And now we just need to reboot, and maybe we'll have our new IP address, hopefully, supposedly. I guess, maybe, I don't know. Okay, holy shit, it worked. I didn't check that before that time. The footage was saved, I hope. Anyways, google.com. And there we go. So we now have a static IP address that is extremely hard and inconvenient to configure, and when I have to change it, if I have to change it, I now need to look up where that is each and every time, because I cannot remember where the interfaces file is. I am incapable. Can barely remember what I fucking ate earlier, if anything. So now that we have that done, now we need to get SSH working. The reason I say that is because I think I broke it earlier, because I told it to not let me log into root from SSH, so we're going to need to fix that so I can log into root from SSH. SSH/SSH_config. Well, I don't see anything here preventing me from logging into root from it, so I guess we might as well just give it a shot. Can I SSH into this computer? SSH root at localhost. Okay. So I do need to fix that. Okay, so, I don't know how many spaces we're gonna need. Probably that many. Permit root. Bad configuration options. Permit root login. How could that be wrong? So, this is the client configuration file. This video is gonna be so painful to watch. Am I gonna keep all this in there? I knew it looked weird. It's weird it doesn't come with OpenSSH server by default. I am the world's largest idiot. What the fuck? Okay, alright. Delete this shit. Put in yes. Control X, Y, enter. Restart this. And then now I forgot the D in config. Oh my god. So now if I try to SSH into this, it'll work. I am now connected. So now if I type exit, I'm going to go to be dropped back to the TTY. Okay, thank God. So now we take note of the IP address. 192.168.254.150. This is its IP address, and we're going to continue right here on my computer with fucking Xbox Live microphone. Sorry, Snowball isn't exactly in the budget. Have you seen my bank account recently? Yeah, me neither. Anyways, now we're going to open PuTTY, and this should allow us to SSH into the computer. So just going to put in the IP address, 192.168.254.150, and before we do anything else, we need to come over and adjust the font. This is strictly a JetBrains mono household. Regular size 12, yep, that'll do. And because I don't have to type this in all the time, I'm just going to save this configuration. I don't know, your mom. That's what I named the host name, so there we go. Let's connect to your mom. I'm going to log in as root. Going to put in the password. And there we go. We're now SSH'd into the eMachine. I love how the mod D is still you can set up with setup-alpine. I should change that. Nice. Okay, alright. So now the first step in getting the Minecraft server running is to install Java. We need to see what Java versions we have available to us. So APK search, I don't know how to spell. Even here, I have no excuse this time. This is my regular keyboard. APK search open JDK. So now we need to install the latest version we have. So that would be OpenJDK 8, it would appear, which is kind of old. OpenJDK8 is the Java version, and JRE is Java Runtime Environment versus Java Development Kit. And we need the runtime environment for running jars. I mean, you can still run jars with the development kit, but I don't think you're supposed to, so we're just gonna do that. This is so fucking fast, goddamn. Oh, and just, proof that we are actually running on that eMachine, so if we run neofetch. As we can see, it is running perfectly fine. Why exactly it appears to be carrying over the screen resolution is a bit strange to me. But there we go. So now that we're running Alpine, so that's how you know. So now with OpenJDK installed, we can do java-version. We are currently running Java 8 update 345, which I'm pretty sure that's actually kind of old, but it'll work. Now it's time to pick the Minecraft server software. And picking the Minecraft server software starts with picking what version you want. And I already kind of thought about it, and well, yes, 1.12 is sort of the benchmark when it comes to performance and like being new. I really don't like it. Mostly because the world generation is boring, and also andesite, like really fuck andesite. So I went looking around and decided the perfect version would be Minecraft 1.7.10, the version before andesite was added. So now that we have the version decided, we now need to pick what kind of server software we want. And now you might be thinking, well, everyone uses paper, let's just go use paper. And then you might think after that, oh wait, isn't Minecraft 1.7.10 too old for paper? And I thought the same thing too, but as it turns out, it is not. In fact, the very first version of paper, as it was called PaperSpigot at the time, was for Minecraft 1.7.10. And they even have an archived repository that is paper for 1.7, which is a little crazy to me that they still have this, but they do, so let's use it, shall we? But the first problem that comes to using this is the last time it was updated was 2015, which means if we were to build using Maven, like it says to do here, it basically just won't work. Fortunately, 1.7.10 is actually quite popular. So if we look at forks, we can scroll down here and we can see that there have been quite a few forks and then forks of forks and forks of forks of this server software. And I already did a bit of looking, and this one is the newest. Also the least changed. Huh. Well, I guess they did do some other stuff here. Or was this just to update the dependencies, I wonder? I don't know. And okay, so now that we have our server software all picked out, we need to come over here and look how to compile it. And as we can see, it uses Maven. APK add Maven. And hopefully that's going to work. Why do you need OpenJDK 8 again? Okay, well, that doesn't matter. So now that we have Maven, since this is a Git repository, we also need to add Git. And now that we have Git installed, we can Git clone that. And it's now cloned on the computer, so we now have a copy of this repository. Now we need to do this, which I think that's just getting the dependencies. Because of licensing issues, they can't package it directly with PaperSpigot. Now that we have that, nice and legally, we now go ahead and apply patches. Or at least we should do that. Okay, let's try a different fork. Now let's go up one, see if this is any good. Run the same commands we did last time, basically. See if this one's any better. Sadly, it doesn't beep like the Pentium. That was sad. What do you mean? I don't know why that matters. But does that... Hey, wait a minute. Hey. Okay, you're gonna let me do it now? Okay, that was stupid. Why did I have to do that? I have never done that before. Okay, well, I guess Team Orange is, let's hope that one isn't any better. So now we're applying these patches, and that's done. Applied cleanly, or so you say. I saw there was problems. You said it's okay, so it's okay. So now we have Apache Maven, we have everything applied, and everything functioning properly. Now we need to compile it into bytecode, and also get all of the other dependencies. Clean install. Okay, cool. It's working. Hey, if it's taking this long to do this, I worry. Okay, that's more like it. At this point, what we can do is we can actually open another putty, open up that same configuration, log in again, and we can see what it's doing, or how hard it's working anyway. As we can see, it is compiling, or at least it was. Failed to read artifact descriptor for org bucket Minecraft server jar 1.7.10. Could not transfer artifact. That could be a problem. Success, failure, Minecraft server 1.7.10. So we're missing the official Minecraft server software. That could be bad. Okay, alright. What other forks do we have? Do we have something a little bit different? Protocol hack. I guess I won't ask. Let's see what you've got going on. One commit ahead. What is it? Fixed compile issues with later versions of Maven. Well, okay then. 2021, a patch for a Minecraft server version that got discontinued in 2015. Isn't open source amazing? Damn it. Okay. Or I suppose we could see if this works. Wish I knew what that meant. wget. No. Okay. That should work. SSH file transfer protocol. Okay, very good. God, that's slow. What do you mean half a megabyte per second? Okay, that's better. ls. Very good. Now, assuming that build was good, we should be able to do java-jar paper.jar. Hey, there we go. Very nice. Okay, alright. Well, fuck building it, I guess. Okay, let's see. How long does it take to generate the world? Well, we're still starting the server try. I guess we better not get ahead of ourselves here. Oh boy. Oh boy, look at that. That's fast. Yeah, that's using 100% of the CPU. All of this is a great sign. To be fair, it might go a lot faster if I, gave it a little bit more RAM in the launch configuration. Let's do that. Okay, let's go the full couple miles here. Let's do nanos. So this is a max amount I can use. So we have 2 gigabytes of RAM. There's no way in fuck we could use more than half a gigabyte of it. So not running Minecraft. So let's just give it 1800 megabytes. Okay, this is a great sign. It's been a while since I've done this. Much better. Okay, cool. No space between X and X and the amount of RAM, unlike, normal command line parameters. Got it. Okay, sure. I expect RAM usage to go up quite a bit more this time. Okay, or maybe not. I do feel like it's going a little faster, though. Bitch, are you gonna do that 3 fucking times? I swear to God. Well, you know what? Unlike the time we did it on the Raspberry Pi, like, I don't know, 3 fucking years ago at this point, it's not crashing. So that is a genuine improvement. Hey, it's done. Nice. So now if we run question mark, there are the commands. So now let's see what the TPS is with no one in the server. Oh, okay. Well, I guess now we just gotta launch Minecraft and see how it runs. 192.168.254.254.150. Now, keep in mind we have not adjusted the server properties at all, so we will be loading quite a few chunks. So, the performance might be better if we do some tweaking. Now, online mode should be working correctly, given the fact we have internet. Oh, God. And we're in. Look at that. So keep in mind, the only thing the server is doing is sending terrain data and like updating mobs and stuff. But at least for the moment, it doesn't seem that bad. Okay, so it's apparently we're still running at 20 TPS, which 20 is what it should be. So, okay, let's make things a little bit more hard. Already, the fact it's working this well already puts it way above the Raspberry Pi, but we expected that. So let's go creative, and now let's go moving around a little bit. As we can see, the CPU is 100%, which, let's be real, we were probably expecting. And we have outpaced it a little bit, a little bit. Let's see if we can do some X-ray here. Oh, no. Dang it. Okay. Do they drop stuff in creative? I don't remember. I literally don't remember. Is that what it's supposed to be doing? Is that what it's supposed to be doing? Oh, there's our land. So now let's run TPS. And as we can see, the TPS is now a whole lot worse. But in fairness to the server, what I just did there was I fucking flew over here. loaded a bunch of chunks, so I don't expect CPU usage to go down anytime soon. But what I do expect is if I run TPS somewhere, it will eventually start to recover, like it is now. Like 18 TPS, that's perfectly playable. Let me go back to survival so we can see blocks drop. There we go. See? Like, you know, for one person, this ain't bad. Like, at all. Let's see if we can make this even better. So maybe we can use less than 100% of the CPU, and that means we need to adjust the server.properties, which will change how the server works. Level C, let's give it a new seed just to make things interesting. Server IP, it'll just bind on localhost, that's fine. So view distance is currently 10. So let's make that 6. Yes, it'll look like shit, but it might run better. Now this should be going pretty fast because the only thing it's doing here is taking the already generated land and putting it into RAM, basically, I think. Okay, so now that that's adjusted, it's still at 100% just running the server. That can be a problem. Okay, and I'm here. Oh boy. Oh no. Okay, so TPS. Oh, okay, there we go. Duh. Thanks. So now it's caught up. Well, partially. Do I have all of these? Okay, I do. Okay, alright. That's updating correctly. What is going on? Ah, that 1.7.10 world generation. Oh, this is so good. See, the reason I'm breaking blocks like that is because when you break a block, the actual breaking and then the item being dropped is essentially the server, quote unquote, noticing the fact that you broke the block. So that is a way that you can tell the server is actually keeping up. Here we are, we can see the effects of our shit-ass world. You see, it's not that bad. 6 isn't that bad. You want bad, we can try 4. What I'm impressed about is the fact we're not having any RAM problems. And at least as you can see here, with at least just me, this is totally playable. Like, this is fine. I mean, sure, there's a hiccup here and there, but it's not so bad. CPU usage is dropping. Look at that, the server has caught up. Let's see if I can walk over this way and generate some more land so it kicks up again. Oh yeah, there we go. It's that one thread. The one thread that's causing problems. Yeah, that's totally fine. Like, I just want better TPS than 2B2T, please. That's my goal. Better TPS than 2B2T on the fucking Netburst Celeron with, okay, to be fair, just me. But still. So while yes, it is playable with just me, what about if we added a few more people? But before I do that, I'm going to need to do some proxy magic. I'll be right back. And now with that done, if we come over to multiplayer, as we can see, the server is very normal. Sadly, I can't show the server console anymore since this is an external connection and with working IP forwarding. I don't want to show my IP address, so if we just click on this and click join server, it works! And like really well too. So I might have did a little bit of tweaking. And by a little bit, I mean a lot of tweaking. Like seriously, we got like plugins now. Holy shit. But yeah, this is actually pretty crazy. So I didn't realize it until now, like until actually a couple minutes ago, but I was running BIBU this entire time, which was not helping my CPU usage. Now you can see I've turned it off, and I'm just loading here in spawn. It is 22% CPU. I also set the render distance down to 4 as a preventative measure, just in case. I'm going to be honest here, I totally expected this to perform better, but we're making this happen anyway. As we can see, it actually has a fair chance of working pretty well, because I'm just walking around here, and like I can punch this, and the CPU is still 20%, 11%, 25%. TPS is fine. If I start flying... Okay, what the actual fuck? It was worse when I did it earlier. Ooh, maybe BIBU was being a bit more intensive than I originally thought. you know, sometimes I can make a hiccup pretty bad, but still, it is perfect. It is fine. It is totally playable. Even with the CPU at 100%, TPS isn't going down that much. I'm guessing that render distance really made a difference. And there we go. Now that the chunks are all loaded, it's... Now that the chunks are all loaded, it goes down again. So yeah. So something you might also be noticing is, wait a minute, we're connected using Minecraft 1.8. What the fuck is going on? And well, as it turns out, and what made this so easy, well, okay, comparatively easy if it was just 1.7.10, this jar isn't just 1.7.10. Not only is this Minecraft server software compatible with 1.7.10 server connections, it has been modified to add support for 1.8.9 clients, which is a little bit crazy and allows us to do even crazier things. For instance, 1.8 support is quite popular, even still supported by the latest version of Bungee Cord, which that also means, well, okay, instead of 1.8, why don't we connect with 1.12? Because with modern Bungee Cord, that means modern ViaVersion. So let's just go ahead and click multiplayer on here, and it fucking works. Mostly, somewhat. It kind of works. Well, okay, it's not exactly stable, but I mean it works. If you want stability, use 1.8 or 1.7.10. So now I'm sure you're wondering, well, how does this server run with more than just me in it? Fortunately, I have a Discord server with people in it. So I'm just like, you know, casually put the IP address in there, and I see this going perfectly fine. Oh, right, not everyone is in the Discord server. Give me a moment. Fucking masterpiece. So I should probably change that 1.19 support is pissed garbage. So yep, there we go. The good shit there. That fucking amazing. I guess I should probably change the shadow. Nah, fuck it. Easter egg. Oh god, let's see how this goes. God, this is gonna be such a mess. Where's my shit? Oh god, here we go. Oh no, I did it a minute early. Oh my god. Oh god. It's like people in here. Help am water. The CPU right up to 100. Oh no. Okay, alright, but TPS. The TPS is still good. We're still good. TPS is still good. That is very normal. It's still keeping up. This is actually pretty amazing. Like, it's 47% CPU. Everyone is right close to each other, but this is still really impressive. Set it to something a little more appealing. Admittedly, I thought people were going to stay near spawn more, but I guess I should have known when I made it on a fucking island. Other than the occasional spike, this is bloody amazing. I was not expecting this. I was expecting people to join the network adapter to catch on fucking fire. Now let me launch nload and see what that looks. Oh my god, more people. Okay, give me a moment here. So /list. I wish I knew where everyone was. There's 7 bloody people on here! There's 7 fucking people on here! What the fuck? I'm not like the only one who thinks this is absolutely incredible, right? I'm gonna come back in a little bit and see what they're up to. Just gonna open this up. Oh god. Warm in here. Bruh, what the fuck? It's not even that hot. Yeah, it's a bit warm. But this is totally passable. What the fuck is this? Yeah, the event's been going on for what, like half an hour? And our total transmit and receive is only like nearly a gigabyte. Which I guess when you look at it that way, it is kind of a lot, but I totally expected it to be more. And I totally expected performance to be worse. It's actually kind of unfortunate. I mean, I plan to record the server more, but what am I supposed to say? It's running well. So, I might have done a little bit of playing on the server since then. I've got my lovely little house here, and by little, I mean very little. Like, this is seriously compact. I've got all my shit. Got the fucking crafting table. Got my lovely diamond here. I got the cubby. I need to put something in here. I'm thinking I'm gonna replace this with like, I don't know, I'm gonna put stairs or something there and put fucking chests and put like a fucking double chest up there. That would be really cool. I think it would look nice to come up here. The whole idea behind this house is being compact, right? So come out back. We got lovely path, and we've got the demonetization lab. We go in here. We've got a chest of materials, and we've got the ovens for cooking the estrogen. So let's go ahead and see what's going on near spawn, shall we? Fuckers took my boat. Can't have shit in Detroit. Okay, so someone might have... Okay, alright, this is... Holy shit. Okay, so, someone might have made some improvements. This is actually epic. What's going on over there? Okay, alright, this is cool. Needs a daddy was here. Nep nep, very nice. Whoa. Okay, this is cool, I like this. Man, if only the render distance were good enough, you could actually see shit with this. Follow the torches, there's probably something going on over here. I would like to, maybe we shouldn't go that way. Alright, okay, alright, okay, yep, fuck that, right, no. What the shit? Okay, this is, wow, this is so beta. Like, as in design, I love this so much. Gosh, I love that. Okay, so this is obviously a mine. And to think all this shit is running on a fucking Celeron. Okay, what's over here? Minecart track? Holy shit! Throughout this whole thing, we have not used more than 512 megabytes of RAM. We definitely need to try and revisit running Minecraft on the Raspberry Pi again. This is amazing. Like, seriously, this is incredible. Huh. Now I bet you're thinking, oh, well, now that the video's out, they're just going to shut the server down. And, well, I am very excited, and somewhat scared, to say that actually you can join this server, as in this one, right now. Assuming you're watching no later than about a week from when this video comes out. Past that, I don't really know. The reason I can't leave this running indefinitely is because this thing has the fucking performance per watt of a goddamn toaster oven. People forget the reason Core 2 was so good was because Intel finally got their shit together and stopped playing fucking SimCity 2000. Get it? Because pipelines. Anyways, I do believe that brings this project to a close. But before I go, I'd love to give a huge thank you to all of the people who played on the server thus far. I did not at all expect to turn out like what we got, and I definitely didn't expect Nick Matthews on Twitch to stream the bloody thing. It was bloody amazing, especially the part where he went ooh-woo. Ooh-woo! Fucking kill me! That was my favorite part, definitely recommend. But I hope you had fun taking part in it, because I know I definitely had fun putting it together. And I hope you had fun watching me put it together. On that note, I don't know if you noticed or not, but we have considerably more than 1,000 subscribers. I am definitely not slow with making these. But yeah, it really does mean a lot to me just how many of you are watching and finding what I create meaningful and entertaining enough that you want to stick around and see what I make next. And especially at this rate, too. It really, really does mean a lot to me, and I hope you enjoyed. Love you all. See you next time. This is not the end of Project Nya, by the way. There's a reason there's a number at the end. I think you might find the next one a little bit interesting. Also, I hear popular YouTubers do this thing where they put, like, subscriber goals at the ends of videos. You know, like, normally where only subscribers watch to. So, what's an unreachable number? So if we hit 2,000 subscribers by the end of the year, I'll do a video in a maid outfit. And, like, face reveal too, hold 9 yards.